Okay. So, today is May 2nd, 2010. Cambry's trained her little pony. This is Jedediah to do a little trail class.
Here we go. Alright, let's go.
Hey, baby. Keep going, Munchkin.
Hey,
Keep going, Munchkin. We'll follow. Opens the gate. And they're off. Oh, where'd they go? And they're off. Whoa, he's going back into his corral. Is she still on him?